Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. We're here in Fairfax. We got Ashley. Ashley is just got out of high school how many years ago?
It's been 3.
3 years. So you played high school soccer, right? So
yeah.
she had MCL, ACL tears, and surgeries. So now she's working with a lot of kids after school care, and then she does a couple other jobs, small jobs here and there. So she's got some tight muscles. She's got headaches, neck pain, upper back pain, and then low back pain. So we're gonna adjust everything, every bone in your body. We're adjusting. So let's go face down for me, Ashley. So we already did the exam, everything. She's got some tight muscles. We gotta address that. And this is her first adjustment ever, and she saw us on Facebook. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. Oh, Ashley. You okay?
Yeah.
Deep breath again. All the way out. Good. All right, this side up for me, Ashley. So you're gonna face this way. You're gonna lay on your side. Perfect. Just like you saw in the video. You're gonna straight the bottom leg that way. There you go. And you're gonna lay down. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Give yourself a big hug. Good. Deep breath. All the way out and relax. Perfect. Relax, relax. Good. One more. Oh my goodness, you're so tight. Face the other side for me. Yeah, move good. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. One more torture move. Are you ready? Give yourself a hug this way. Deep breath. All the way out. Yeah. Relax, relax. There it goes. Now you relax.
No.
Perfect. Let's go face up for me. So you're going to lay on your back, face up. We're going to adjust the neck. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Relax as much as you can. Good. Hello. Good job. One more. Ooh.
Oh.
Nice. Remember what I said about your ears?
Yeah.
Oh, they're on TV right now. I'm going to work on these muscles real quick for you. Yeah, so you get what, headaches you said 3 to 4 times a week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got to eliminate those. Those are not good for a young lady. So yeah, so she got tight muscles all in the upper back area here, tension. So once we get rid of that, hopefully the headaches will go away. All right, so yeah, so if you've been watching us on Facebook, come on in. If you got headaches, we could fix them. All right, take care.